Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today we'll solve page 86 from countdown 4. Number A. Number A says copy this table carefully and complete it. So before starting this one, we have to know some formula. That is, if you have length and breadth, then formula of the area is length multiplied by breadth. And if you have length and breadth, then perimeter will be 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay. So what will be the area? If length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter, then area will be length multiplied by breadth. That means 10 multiplied by 2. 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. And unit should be centimeter multiplied by centimeter, that is squared centimeter. Very simple. Now, if length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter, then area will be length multiplied by breadth, that is 9 multiplied by 7. 9 multiplied by 7, that is 63. And centimeter multiplied by centimeter, that is square centimeter. Next, 8 centimeter and 7 centimeter is given. So area will be 8 multiplied by 7. 8 multiplied by 7, that is 56. And centimeter multiplied by centimeter, that will be square centimeter. Same way, 11 multiplied by 4, because we know that area is length multiplied by breadth. So 11 multiplied by 4, that is 44 square centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter. How can you find out the perimeter? The formula is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So if we understand the formula, then we can easily solve. So how can we find out the perimeter? That is, we have to add length and breadth at first. So 10 and 2 at first, that is 12. If we add 10 and 2, that will be 12. Then multiplied by 2. Then you will get 24. Very simple. So 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2, that is 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2, 12. That is 24 centimeter. Now 9 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 9 plus 7. We have to just add the length and breadth. Then multiplied by 2. Very simple. So 2 multiplied by 9 plus 7, that is 16. So that will be 32 centimeter. Now next one, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 to the 30. Very simple. 2 multiplied by 8 plus 7. That is 2 multiplied by 8 plus 7, 15. That is 30 centimeter. And last one, 11 plus 4, that is 15. 15 multiplied by 2, 30. So 2 multiplied by 11 plus 4. That is 2 multiplied by 15. That will be 30 centimeter. Okay. Very simple. Now, number B. Number B says, copy this table carefully and complete it. We know that area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. What will be the length? Length will be area divided by breadth, and breadth will be area divided by length. So these two rules come from this one. Here, if you look at this, breadth and area is given. Breadth and area is given. So we have to find out the length. How can we find out the length? By using this one. So length will be area divided by breadth. What is the area here? Area is 81. So 81 divided by, what is the breadth? 9. So 81 by 9, that means 9 centimeter will be the final answer. So length will be 9 centimeter. That is the answer of this one. Now, if we look at number 2, then we can say here length and area is given. By using two value, we have to find out the breadth. So how can you solve it? That is very simple. Look, if we want to find out the breadth, then we have to use this formula. So breadth equal to area divided by length. Here area is 36 and length is 9. So after dividing 36 by 9, final answer is 4. So 4 centimeter will be the answer of this one. So answer will be 4 centimeter. And we can check that our answer is correct or not. 9 multiplied by 4, 36. Very simple. Now next one. Here breadth and area is given. Here breadth and area is given. By using these two values, we have to find out the length. So how can you solve it? We know the formula of the length. Length equal to area divided by breadth. Here area is 54 and breadth is 6. After dividing 54 by 6, we will get 9. So 9 centimeter will be the final answer. So here 9 centimeter. And at last, here breadth and area is given. So by using these two values, we have to find out the length. Here area is 120 and breadth is 10. So after dividing 120 by 10, 12 will be the final answer. So 12 centimeter will be the answer of this one. 12 centimeter. And we can easily check that our answer is correct or not. 9 9 ja 81 because area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. 9 9 ja 81. Correct. 9 4 ja 36. Correct. 9 6 ja 54. Correct. 12 10 ja 120. Correct. Very simple. Now number C. Number C says copy this table carefully and complete it. So how can you solve it? So we know the formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So if perimeter and length is given, then we can find out the breadth. That will be perimeter divided by 2 minus length. And if perimeter and breadth is given, then we can find out the length by using this formula. Perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. Simple. So if you know this 2 formula that comes from this one, then we can easily solve number C. Look, here perimeter and length is given. Okay. Perimeter is 20, length is 6. So we have to find out the breadth. Breadth is equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus length. Perimeter is 20 divided by 2 minus length is 6. 20 divided by 2, that will be 10 minus 6, that will be 4 centimeter. So at first answer will be 4 centimeter. Now next one. Here perimeter and breadth is given. By using these two measurements, we have to find out the length. So we have to use this formula. Length equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. What is the perimeter here? 28 divided by 2. And what is the breadth? 5. 28 divided by 2, that will be 14 minus 5. That will be 14 minus 5. That will be 9 centimeter. So here our final answer will be 9 centimeter. Number 3. Here perimeter and length is given. By using these two measurements, we have to find out the breadth. We have to find out the breadth right now. Breadth equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus length. Here perimeter is 34. So 34 divided by 2 minus, what is the length here? 12. 34 divided by 12, that will be 17. 17 minus 12. 17 minus 12, that will be 5 centimeter. So here our final answer will be 5 centimeter. Now next one. Here perimeter and breadth is given. By using these two measurements, we have to find out the length. Same formula, just we have to change length and breadth. Nothing else. Length equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. So perimeter is 70 divided by 2 minus, what is the breadth here? 15. 70 divided by 2, that will be 35 minus 15. 35 minus 15, that will be 20. And that will be the final answer. So 20 centimeter will be the final answer of this problem. Now next one. Here perimeter is given, that is 300. Length is given, that is 100. By using these two measurements, we have to find out breadth. If we have perimeter and length, then we can find out the breadth by using this formula. Breadth equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus length. So what is the perimeter? That is 300 divided by 2. What is the length here? 100. So 300 divided by 2, that will be 150 minus 100. 150 minus 100, that will be 50. So 50 centimeter will be the answer. So answer will be 50 centimeter. And we can easily check that our answer is correct or not. How can you check that? Look at this. Length and breadth. If we have length and breadth, then perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 multiplied by 2, 20. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 multiplied by 2, 28. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 multiplied by 2, 34. 20 plus 15, 35. Multiplied by 2, 17. 100 plus 50, 150. Multiplied by 2, 300. Very simple. Now, number D. Number D is what problem? Very simple. First of all, the question says a rectangle of red paper. The question says A rectangle of red paper is 15 centimeter long and 7 centimeter wide. Suppose this is a red color paper. In this rectangle, length is 15 centimeter and width is 7 centimeter. By using these two measurements, we have to find out the area. So how can we find out? This is very easy one. So before starting this problem, we have to write something given length is equal to 15 centimeter and width is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now we know that area is equal to length multiplied by width. Now we have to multiply. Length is 15, width is 7, and unit should be square centimeter. So after multiplying 15 by 7, we will get our final answer. 7 10 is 70, 7 5 is 35. So 70 plus 35, that will be 105. 105 square centimeter. That will be the final answer of this problem. Now, next one. Number 2 says, a garden is 25 meter long and 10 meter wide. Find its area and its perimeter. So how can I solve it? Look at it. Suppose this is a garden. In this garden, the length is 25 meter. What is the length? Length is 25 meter. Suppose this length is 25 meter. And what is the width? That is 10 meter. Okay. Now we have to find out the perimeter and area. So here given length of the garden, L equal to 25 meter, and width W equal to 10 meter. So what will be the area? Now we have to find out the area. Area will be length multiplied by width. Length is 25, width is 10, and unit will be meter multiplied by meter, that is meter square. 25 multiplied by 10, that will be 250 square meter. Now we have to find out the perimeter. So how can we find out the perimeter? We know the formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, or length plus width. So 2 multiplied by, what is the length? Right now, 25. So length of this garden is 25 and width of this garden is 10. So 2 multiplied by 25 plus 10, that will be 35 meter. That will be 70 meter. Very simple. So we can say the inside part, this area is 250. The area is 250 meter square. And the boundary line, that is the perimeter, is 70 meter. Now, last question of this case. Seed space workers space bed is 2 meter long and 1 meter wide. How much area of seed spaceship does it occupy? And if seed works right round it once, what distance does it cover? So, at first we have to draw the bed. Suppose this is a bed. In this bed, we can say the length is 2 meter and width is 1 meter. How much area of spaceship does it occupy? That means we have to find out the area at first. So given length L equal to 2 meter and width W equal to 1 meter. Then what will be the area? Area will be length multiplied by width. That is 2 multiplied by 1 meter square. That is 2 square meter. That is the area of his bed. Now, so if seed works right round it, that means after completing full round, it will complete a whole perimeter. That means the question asks you to find out the perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of this bed will be 2 multiplied by length plus width. So 2 multiplied by, what is the length here? 2. What is the width here? 1. And unit will be meter. So 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that is 3 meter. That is 6 meter. So perimeter of his bed will be 6 meters. In this way, we can easily solve this space problem. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.